Hey, welcome back to Texas Shine Doctor. Today's video is going to consist of what is a paint correction and the 3 different stages that we offer. So you'll hear a stage 1, a stage 2, and a stage 3 correction. All right, so what is paint correction? A paint correction in the automotive industry, detailing industry, is basically going to be a machine polish where you are refining clear coat defects. Here at Texas Shine Doctor, we offer 3 different stages, as I mentioned. You have a stage 1 gloss enhancement, which is going to be a very mild polish stage, and this is just only going to remove about 20 to 30% of actual swirls and scratches. It'll add some pop to the paint itself, but it's not aggressive enough to actually get below and redefine any defects. A stage 2 is going to be your first paint correction service where you're actually introducing abrasive and cutting agents in the machine cutting first, and then you move to a polish stage. So you're going to basically take them big swirls and scratches and make them disappear. The stage 3 is for them super neglected vehicles that are heavily water spotted, severely scratched, and very swirled. Those is going to consist of a hand sanding and then a machine cut and then a machine polish. A stage 1, as mentioned, is going to remove about 20 to 30% of defects. Stage 2 is going to remove about 80 to 90% of defects, and a stage 3 is going to remove about 97% of defects. So looking at this 2001 Lambo that's beside me, using my assessment, I don't see really any heavy deep swirls or scratches or water spots. I can see some sanding marks, maybe had some touch-up paint repair on it in the past. So I know that this one's gonna need a stage 2 correction at the bare minimum. I don't think that we'll really need to go to a stage 3. So a stage 2 should be just fine to bring that metallic and all that sparkle back out of it before we go putting a ceramic coating on top. So we finished a couple panels. We still probably got another 6 to 7 hours worth of correction left on here. If you want to swing by and for us to take a look at your paint and determine what stage of a correction you might need, give us a call at 832-745-3397 or come check us out on Mishki Road behind Webb's Automotive. Thanks for tuning in.